Hi guys, welcome back. Wanted to talk about my Hiseeu cameras from Amazon. Just a little more. Great price, very good cameras. I'm going to show you a lot of my preset angles and talk about the app. The app doesn't have a real high rating in the App Store, and I'm starting to understand why. This particular camera has a pro setting. It can zoom in, zoom out, but for some reason, I can never do it. I think I'm doing it wrong though. In addition, if you decide to record something and go to one of your preset options, it just drags or lags, you know what I mean? Those are my only two issues right now. So I hope in the future the app gives us some type of update. And depending on which ones are sent to you, you might not get that white light feature that comes with the cameras. What I mean is, if someone gets too close to your property, you can set it where the white light flashes, or you can simply use it to light up an area so you can see better at night. I'll show you that in the next video. If you get the 2-pack, they're $79, but if you buy them individually, they're $36. I don't think the 2-packs or the 4-packs or whatever are better than the single cameras. Think about it. If I buy two and they cost more, they should come with more features. If I buy them individually, I can understand if you don't get all the features, but it seems to be hit or miss. Watch out for those Prime deals, guys. These cameras drop down to $26. Sure, there are better cameras out there, but for the price and what you get, I really think that they're worth it. You'll be okay if you're not tech savvy, but you'll have to do some drilling. So by going with these cameras, you save a little money and you secure your home better. As of right now, I have 11 Hiseeu cameras. Yes, 11 of them. And one camera that isn't, so a total of 12. And I will buy 2 more Hiseeu cameras to total 14. So that's going to be 13 Hiseeu cameras and one that isn't. I'm doing this in case something happens, so if it does, I can send footage to the police. Look, I'm pretty much a middle-aged man, okay? I care about my family, my property, okay? I have no association with the Stop Snitching campaign. I don't care anything about it or those type of people, all right? I've been harping about these folks. Well, at least if you've been watching, you know I've been harping about these folks breaking into your house, stealing your stuff, harming your family, things like that. They don't care about hurting you or killing you, okay? I pay $5.99 a month for each camera. That's a 7-day cycle. Let me take this time to pay homage to the company. Something was wrong with this camera, okay? I contacted them. They gave me some tips to troubleshoot the problem. I did that. It didn't work. So I said, hey, I did what you asked. Still didn't work. They said, okay, no problem. They asked for more information, and within days, they sent a new camera. On top of that, I was able to keep this one. So the company gets an A+ from me. I still would have given them the same rating if they wanted the camera back because of the response. They got back to me quickly, and I like that. Getting back to these criminals, you see what's going on across the country. Stores are closing. People are fleeing the downtown areas, packing up, moving out of fear. These criminals, they belong in jail. They shouldn't be out with the rest of the world terrorizing people. Kids are getting shot. Older people can't even go to church. You can't go to work without getting carjacked. It's crazy. Bottom line, if the police ask for any footage, I'm going to give it to them. Not trying to get political. All right, I didn't talk about these other features. There's a siren within the app. There's also a group setting. So if you have a lot of cameras, you can watch them all at once. And you can also set it where if someone crosses a certain area, the white light or siren will go off. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.